Hi everyone, in front of me I've got REALME P3 and let me share with you how to check for the software updates on this device. So let's begin with making sure that you've got the internet connection because it is required, and simply for checking you can use either Wi-Fi or mobile data, but if you will decide to download the update, I highly recommend switching to the Wi-Fi to avoid some additional charges. So now let's start with opening the settings, and here we have to scroll down to the very bottom to find system and updates. Let's tap on it. I also wanted to draw attention to this dot. Basically, if you can see it, it means that probably you've got the update pending. So just tap on it and tap on software update, which is at the very top of the list. And in my case, the update was downloaded. So all you will have to do after entering this section is to tap right here on this toggle, and basically your device will check for the updates. You can meet two different scenarios. The first one is where your device is up to date and there's nothing to download. It will show you relevant information. And the second one is where your device will actually find the update. It will show you the info about it, what has been fixed, what has been added, and then you will be able to tap on download or install and apply the update. As you can see here, we've got also information after downloading it. And in order to apply it, we have to restart our device. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.